Good afternoon everybody. Here me Dr. Nidhi Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Now here solid vehicle part 2. First of all, milk sugar under the solid vehicle. Source goat's milk, synonym sugar of milk, lactose, saccharum lactase. Chemical formula C12S22O12S2O, molecular weight 360.3. Preparation of sugar of milk. First of all, goat's milk, that is protein, fats, minerals, salt, water, lactose. After boiling, remove the fat, then protein, salt, minerals plus water plus lactose. Filtration by adding HCl, then water, lactose. Purified water, and we do filtration through charcoal bath. Purified form of whey, semi-solid lactose, then crystal lactose after boil directly by adding strong alcohol and purified water on water bath. Pure crystals of lactose after grinding by mortar and pestle. Finally, conclusion is sugar of milk. Purification of sugar of milk. 450 gram of sugar of milk plus 2 liter of boiling water. Filtrate plus 2 liter of OH. Crystal of saccharate washed with distilled water. Pressed in between filter paper. Now this is pure sugar of milk. Characteristic of sugar of milk. First of all, physical properties, that is hard crystalline mass, milky white in color. It is odorless, faintly sweet in taste, sandy feeling on touching. Solubility, soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Chemical properties, molecular weight 360.3. Its solution is neutral to litmus paper. It may produce water of crystallization at 150 centigrade. Preservation of sugar of milk, preserved in airtight plastic container or bottles in dry place. Uses of sugar of milk used in biochemical preparations, preparations of trituration from mother substance which are not soluble in liquid vehicle, for the preparation of mother powders used for dispensing medicines to the patient, for preparation of potentized medicines in decimal potency used as placebo. Cane sugar, chemical formula C12S22O11. Properties of cane sugar, colorless or slightly white crystal, odorless and sweet to taste. Its solution is neutral to litmus. Solubility, easily soluble in water. Uses for preparation of globules, pellets and tablets used as vehicle for trituration by some. For preparation globules. Properties of globules, white in colorless and odorless, sweeter than sugar of milk. Solubility, soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. Melting point 160 centigrade. Uses of globules, used for dispensing of medicines. Best media for preserving medicine. Cones, properties, shape, conical or semi-globular. Consistency, harder than globules. They absorb small quantity of liquid medicines. Uses, they are used for preserving very highly potentized medicines for a long time. Now liquid vehicles. Purified water, synonym distilled water, aqua distilla. Formula S2O, molecular weight is 18. Preparation for small scale, first of all distillation process and second one deionization process. For large scale, by electrically operative automatic water distillator. Distillation process, volatile water is converted into vapors by boiling and then these vapors are converted back to liquid state by condensing. Volatile water first of all in vapor and then liquid state. Uses, used for final cleansing of utensils or equipments, used in preparing reagents and in analytical purposes, used for preparation of mother solution of drug substances which are insoluble in alcohol, used in preparing potencies, in dispensing medicines for different qualities of weaker alcohol. Storage, the purified water should always be stored in Pyrex glass bottles. The medicine dispensed with purified water cannot be preserved for a long period as aqueous solutions are unstable. Simple syrup, properties, weight 1.315 to 1.333 gram, optical rotation plus 56 to plus 60, uses, used as a sweet vehicle when dispensing homeopathic mother tincture. Glycerin properties: odor, odorless; color, a clear colorless liquid; taste, sweet; moisture content, hygroscopic; uses: used in medicines for its mild antiseptic property; used in the leather, rubber, plastic and textile industry; used as an application on superficial ulcers of tongue and mouth. Almond oil properties: color, pale yellow oil; nearly inodorous, slight in odor; taste, bland, nutty taste; solubility, miscible with solvent ether; boiling rates 40 C to 60 C; specific gravity 0.9102 to 0.915 at 20 C. Uses: almond oil is a demonstrated. Lavender oil properties: color, colorless, pale yellow; odor, that of the flower; pleasant taste, aromatic, pungent; solubility, miscible with alcohol. Uses: used with alcohol for a soothing effect in headaches; applied on superficial ulcers without alcohol. Olive oil properties: color, pale yellow; odor, colorless; solubility, mixable with charcoal; taste, bland. Uses: used for burns and skin diseases; used for preparations of liniments; used as a laxative, being taken at bedtime. Sandalwood oil properties: color, pale yellow; odor, strong, aromatic; taste, pungent, aromatic; solubility, freely soluble in strong alcohol. Uses: it is mixed with oil and applied externally. Due to its sweet odor, it is largely used in perfumes and cosmetics. Sesame oil properties: color, pale yellow; odor, faint odor; taste, bland; solubility, slightly soluble in alcohol. Uses: used in instead of olive oil in the preparation of liniments and edible oil; used in the preparation of hair oil. Rosemary oil properties: colorless, a colorless or pale yellow; odor is characteristic odor of rosemary; taste, warm; solubility in 1 volume of alcohol. Uses: it is a component of liniment, largely used in perfumes and cosmetics. It is stimulant and rubefacient to the skin. Now semi-solid vehicles. Hard paraffin, synonym paraffinum durum, paraffin wax. Source, petroleum. Utility: it is used mainly to increase the consistency of ointments. Soft paraffin, yellow soft paraffin, synonym petrolatum, amber petrolatum, myelopetrolatum, petroleum jelly, paraffinum, moleflavum. Utility: it is used as a base for ointments. It is highly occlusive and a good emollient. White soft paraffin, synonym white petrolatum, white petroleum jelly, paraffinum mole album. Utility: the utility of white petrolatum is similar to yellow petrolatum but is often preferred because of its freedom from color. It is employed as a protective, a base for ointments and syrups, and forms the basis for burn dressings. Lanolin, synonym wool fat, adapts lane. Source, from the wool of sheep, Ovis aries. Utility: it is used as a base in water absorbable ointment. It increases the absorption of the drug from the skin. It is used also as an emollient. Yellow beeswax, synonym Ceraflava. Source, wax from honeycomb of the hive bee of Apis mellifica and other species of Apis. Utility: it is used in the preparation of syrups and ointments. It is used for hardening of soft ointment. White beeswax, synonym Cera alba. Utility: it is used as a component of syrups and ointments. Soft soap, synonym Sapomolis. Source, interaction of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide with a suitable vegetable oil or oils or with fatty acid derived therefrom. Utility: it is used in soap liniment. Hard soap, synonym Sapodurus. Source, it is prepared from fats or oils with sodium hydroxide and it consists of the sodium salts of the fatty acids. Starch, synonym amylum. Source, grain of maize, grain of wheat, tubers of potato, rice. Utility: it is a component of glycerol of starch. Thank you for listening.